Hi, I'm Kaizena, a senior from Galileo High School, and this is my final video. So, since my last milestone, I've soldered all my wires and motors and other parts onto a perf board so that my connections are more permanent. I've also added these metal bars to support beams for my other ones because they kept falling down. I also hung my ultrasonic sensors on the bars because before it was only attached through electrical tape and that wasn't a good idea. But there's that. Some challenges I faced with my modifications was that after soldering all the parts down, the omnidirectional motion was off because I had to rearrange some wires so that they didn't get tangled. To fix that, I flipped some code around. Another thing was that the robot started spazzing out again, and that was because the receiver for the PS2 controller would keep disconnecting and reconnecting, and whenever it reconnected, a signal would be sent from the analog stick to the receiver, and because the analog stick is what controls the robot, it would move around. And that was fixed by setting another button to be held down at the same time while the analog stick was being pressed. All around, coding this robot was hard. I didn't have any experience before, but I didn't think it would be as complicated as it actually was. There were a lot of problems I wasn't sure how to fix, but Google helped. Building it was fun, while desoldering was very annoying. When I put everything together and it was complete, I just felt really satisfied.